Imagine this. You walk into a cafe. You sit next to a stranger. There is 1 second of silence. What do you say?
Maybe nice weather today?
Exactly. That is the magic phrase. 3 words, and suddenly you have a conversation.
And that's exactly what we're teaching today. By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about weather naturally, confidently, and like a real English speaker.
We will cover vocabulary, grammar, comparisons, activities, clothes, feelings, and we'll even do a full role play.
There's something for everyone in this episode. Whether you are a complete beginner or you already know some English, you will learn something useful today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome to ClearTalk English, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun.
If this is your first time here, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next episodes.
And if you're coming back, welcome back. We are so happy you are here. Now let's get started.
Are you ready, Sarah?
More than ready. Let's go.
Let's start with the basics. Types of weather. Sarah, what types of weather do you know?
There are many. The most common is sunny weather, when the sun is shining and the sky is blue.
That's my favorite. Sunny days make me feel alive. What else?
We have rainy weather when it rains, cloudy weather when there are clouds covering the sky, snowy weather when it snows, and windy weather when there is a strong wind.
And sometimes stormy weather with loud thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Very dramatic.
Let's explain those 2 words. Thunder is the loud, booming sound, boom, and lightning is the bright flash of light in the sky during a storm.
I don't like storms at all, especially at night. How about you?
Me neither. Storms are a bit scary. I always close the windows and stay inside.
Good idea. Now, a quick grammar tip. We can use these words as adjectives. It is sunny today. Or as nouns. The weather is sunny today. Both are completely correct.
You can also use verbs. It is raining, it is snowing, the wind is blowing. Very natural, very common in spoken English.
So we have 6 main types: sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, and stormy. Remember those 6 and you can describe almost any day.
Now let's talk about the 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter. Mark, what is your favorite?
Summer without a doubt. Hot weather, long days, blue skies. When it's sunny and warm, I feel happy, energetic, and free. I want to go outside and do everything.
I love that description. How does summer affect you emotionally?
I feel like everything is possible. The sun sets at 9 or 10 at night, so I have all the time in the world. I feel optimistic.
I love spring. Not too hot, not too cold. The flowers come back, the birds start singing. I feel hopeful and refreshed, like the world is starting again.
Hopeful is a beautiful word for spring. Very poetic.
And autumn? I love the colors, red, yellow, and orange leaves. But I feel a little melancholy, a little sad, a little nostalgic.
I understand. Autumn is beautiful, but bittersweet. The days get shorter, it gets darker earlier, you feel time passing.
And the foggy mornings in autumn, I love that. Everything is quiet, soft, and a little mysterious.
And winter? How do you feel in winter?
Cozy. Cold outside, warm inside. Hot tea, a soft blanket, a good book. I feel safe and calm. It's like the world slows down.
I feel the opposite in winter. A bit slow and sleepy. I miss the sun. I definitely prefer the energy of summer.
That's so interesting. The same season can make different people feel completely different things. Weather is personal.
Sarah, let's talk about our cities. What is the weather usually like where you live?
We have 4 very distinct seasons. In winter, it can drop to -10, sometimes even -20 degrees Celsius. Streets, cars, rooftops, everything becomes white.
-20? I can't even imagine. I would not leave the house.
A lot of people don't. Winter lasts about 4 months, December through March. It's long, but we're used to it.
And in summer?
The complete opposite. It can reach 30 degrees or more. Hot, sunny, sometimes very humid. It's quite extreme.
So your city goes from -20 to +30. That's a 50-degree difference.
Yes, that's life with 4 real seasons. What about your city?
Very different. My city is warm almost all year. The temperature stays between 20 and 25 degrees. We don't get much snow, maybe 1 or 2 days a year if we're lucky.
Lucky? I'm not sure about that. Don't you get bored with the same weather all year?
Sometimes, honestly, I think seeing real seasons would be beautiful, but I've never experienced -20 degrees and I'm not sure I'm brave enough.
Come visit in January. I promise it's an adventure. Now let's talk about activities. What do you do when the weather is sunny, Sarah?
I go to the park. I love walking, sometimes alone with music, sometimes with friends. Or I organize a picnic. Sandwiches, fruit, juice, sitting on the grass. Very simple and very pleasant.
That sounds perfect. When it's sunny, I ride my bike along the river near my house. There's a beautiful bike path. And in summer, I go to the beach almost every weekend.
Every weekend? What do you do at the beach?
Swim in the ocean, lie in the sun, read a book. It's the most relaxing thing in the world. I completely disconnect.
And when it rains, what happens then?
Rainy days are movie days. I stay home with my family, we make popcorn, we choose a film, and we get cozy on the sofa. It's actually one of my favorite things.
I love that. I read books on rainy days. The sound of rain is like a lullaby, so relaxing. I make a big cup of tea and disappear into a story for hours.
And on cold winter days?
Hot tea, always. Green tea or chamomile. And I love baking in winter. Bread, cookies, cakes. The smell fills the whole house and makes it feel warm and cozy.
That sounds amazing. I drink hot chocolate on cold days, always with marshmallows. It's non-negotiable. Marshmallows are absolutely essential. So the weather doesn't just change the sky, it changes what we do, what we eat, and how we spend our time. Speaking of changes, let's talk about clothes. This is very useful vocabulary. Mark, what do you wear when it's hot?
A t-shirt and shorts. I prefer light colors, white or blue. Light colors reflect the sun. And sandals, of course. Feet need to breathe.
Great tip about colors. I wear cotton dresses in summer. Cotton is light, it breathes, and it doesn't stick to your skin when it's humid.
Good point. And in cold weather?
Layers, layers, layers. First, a thermal shirt, then a sweater, then a thick coat. The key is layers because you can remove them if you get too warm.
That's smart. What about accessories?
Very important in winter. A scarf to protect your neck, gloves for your hands, and a hat. Did you know that your head and ears lose heat very quickly? A hat is essential.
I didn't know that. In my warm city, I only wear a light jacket sometimes. No scarves, no gloves, no hats. Very different.
Then you are definitely not prepared for my winters. In my city, if you go outside in January without gloves, your fingers hurt within minutes.
That sounds painful. I'll take my warm weather, thank you very much.
Let's talk about something important. Extreme weather. This is when nature becomes dangerous.
Yes, for example, a hurricane. A hurricane is an extremely strong storm with powerful winds and heavy rain, very dangerous near the coast.
And a heat wave, when temperatures are unusually high for many days in a row. It can be dangerous, especially for elderly people and children.
We had a heat wave last year. It was hotter than usual for 2 weeks. Everyone was exhausted.
During a heat wave, you should drink a lot of water, stay in the shade, and avoid going out in the middle of the day.
And there are snowstorms, blizzards, where strong winds and heavy snow can close roads and schools.
We have those. Everything stops. You shouldn't drive, you should stay home, stay warm, and have food ready.
Have you ever experienced really extreme weather?
Yes, once we had a snowstorm so strong that we couldn't open the front door. The snow was taller than the door handle.
That's incredible. I saw a flood once. The water was everywhere. In the streets, in shops. It was frightening.
Extreme weather is a reminder that nature is powerful. Always check the forecast, listen to official warnings, and be prepared.
Sarah, is it hotter in my city than in yours?
In summer, yes, much hotter. But in winter, my city is much colder than yours.
Good. Let's pause here for a grammar moment. Did you notice what we just used? Comparatives. Hot, hotter. Cold, colder. One syllable, add er.
And for longer words, humid, more humid, comfortable, more comfortable. 2 or more syllables, use more.
So you can say, today is windier than yesterday, or summer is more humid than spring, or winter in Canada is colder than winter in Brazil.
Now let's practice with the weather forecast.
Good evening. Here is your forecast for tomorrow. In the north, it will be cold and windy, temperatures dropping to 5 degrees. Take a warm coat.
In the south, it is going to be warm and sunny, up to 28 degrees. Perfect beach weather.
In the east, heavy rain is expected. Drivers should be careful on the roads. Don't forget your umbrella.
In the west, it will be cloudy in the morning, but it should clear up in the afternoon. Looking ahead to the weekend, temperatures are going to rise and we should have sunshine across the country.
Did you notice going to and should? We use going to for predictions we are confident about, and should when we are less certain.
Now, let's go back to the cafe from the beginning. You are sitting next to someone, you want to start a conversation. What do you say?
The simplest opener is a statement. Nice weather today, isn't it? That little isn't it at the end is an invitation. It says, I want to talk.
Or if the weather is bad, can you believe this rain? Or so cold today, isn't it? Even a complaint about bad weather can start a conversation.
You can also ask questions like, what's the weather like in your city? Or what is your favorite season? These are friendly, open questions.
And you can share opinions. I love sunny days. I can't stand the heat. Or, I actually love the rain. It's so peaceful.
These invite the other person to agree or disagree.
The key to small talk is simple. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to show that you are interested in the other person.
Exactly. Smile, make eye contact, and say something simple. The other person will do the rest.
Let's practice. I'll be the stranger in the cafe. Sarah, you start. Can you believe this weather? So sunny today.
I know. It's so much warmer than yesterday.
Do you know if it's going to stay like this all week?
I checked the forecast. It should be sunny until Friday. Perfect.
See? Simple, natural, friendly. That is real small talk, and you can do it.
Now a full role play. Imagine you are at the airport. A massive storm is outside. Wind, lightning, heavy rain. Many flights are delayed.
Excuse me, can you help me? My flight to New York was supposed to leave at 3 p.m. It's now 5:30. What's happening?
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Your flight is delayed because of the storm. The wind is extremely strong and visibility is very low.
That's really frustrating. When is the new departure time?
The current estimate is 8 p.m., but if the storm gets worse, the flight might be canceled entirely.
Should I book a hotel nearby, just in case?
That's a wise idea. There's a hotel right next to the airport. It's cheaper than the downtown hotels. I would book as soon as possible because many passengers need rooms tonight.
Good advice. And what about tomorrow? Will the weather be better?
The forecast says the storm is going to pass tonight. Tomorrow should be sunny and calm. Much better conditions for flying.
That's a relief. Thank you so much for your help.
End role play.
Did you notice all the grammar we used? Should, going to, comparatives, and even polite language like just in case and would book. That is real, natural English in a real situation.
Time for a quick quiz. 4 questions. Are you ready?
Question 1. How do you ask about the weather? A. How are you weather? B. How's the weather today? C. What weather you are?
The answer is B. How's the weather today? Simple, natural, and very common.
Question 2. Which is correct? A. Today is more hot than yesterday. B. Today is hotter than yesterday.
B. Hotter. One syllable, add ER. We never say more hot.
Question 3. Complete the sentence. It's going to blank tomorrow. A. Rain. B. Raining. C. Rained.
A. It's going to rain. After going to, always use the base form of the verb.
Question 4. What should you do during a heat wave? A. Drink a lot of water. B. Stay in the sun all day. C. Wear a heavy coat.
A. Drink lots of water, stay in the shade, and avoid going out at midday. Very important safety advice.
How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments. We want to know.
Let's recap what we covered today. Types of weather, seasons and feelings, weather around the world, activities, clothes, extreme weather, comparatives, forecasts, small talk, and a full role play.
That is a lot, and you made it to the end. That means you are serious about learning English. You should be proud of yourself.
Remember the cafe from the very beginning? You are now ready. Walk in, sit down, and say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" You've got this.
Your challenge today, write a short weather report in the comments. Tell us what the weather is like in your city today, compare it to yesterday, and tell us the forecast for tomorrow. Use comparatives and going to.
We read every single comment, every one, so write to us.
If this episode helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English. It really makes a difference.
Practice a little every day. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be consistent. Little by little, you will get there.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone, and don't forget, check the weather before you go out.
Bye.